Hello dear students, welcome to my channel Amar Bachchala Jatiya Bidyalay. Aji moi tumalokor babe the ant and the grasshopper proshnotter loi aisu. Question number 1. Answer the following questions. A. How did George Ramsay look while sitting in the restaurant? While George Ramsay was sitting in a restaurant, he looked as though the burden of the whole world sat on his shoulders. Question number B. Who was causing George trouble? Tom Ramsay. His brother was the cause of George's trouble. Why did Tom leave his work? Tom did not like work and wanted to enjoy himself, so he left his work. What did Tom do when his money was spent? When Tom was spent his money, generally he depended on his brother George for money. Sometimes he borrowed from his friends also. How old were George and Tom? Tom was 46 years old and his brother George was only 1 year older than him. How did Tom become rich? Luckily, Tom engaged to an old woman. When she has died, she left him everything she had. And thus Tom became rich. Question number 2. Give brief answers of the following questions. What did Tom Ramsay do after leaving his job? After leaving his job, Tom Ramsay enjoyed his life. He went to the various capitals of Europe. He passed his time by gambling, dancing, eating in expensive restaurants, and dressed beautifully. How did Tom blackmail George? Tom blackmailed George by saying that if he would not give him money, then he would drive a car or work in a bar to earn. As it was their prestige issue, George could not deny him. Question number C. What did Tom Ramsay do for most part of his youth? Tom Ramsay in his youth was a perfect businessman. He got married and had 2 children. The Ramsays were perfectly respectable people and there was every reason to suppose that Tom Ramsay would have an honorable and decent career. Next question to Saba. Why was George happy at the approach of old age? George became happy when he approached of old age because there was only 1 year difference between their age and he thought that Tom could not run his life so easily and he would be bankrupt and Tom would end in the gutter. What did George call unfair? George called unfair the justice of luck, as he had worked hard throughout his life, but Tom was an idle, though by luck he became more richer with £500,000. How was George Ramsay's lifestyle? George Ramsay was a man of hard-working, decent, respectable. He had never taken more than a fortnight holiday in the year for a quarter of a century. As he was an honest, industrious, and worthy, he was in the office every morning to evening punctually. Question number 4. Write a short note on Tom Ramsay's character. Tom Ramsay was an idle, worthless, and dishonorable. In his youth, he was a perfect businessman, got married, and had 2 children. But later, he wanted to enjoy himself, and so he left everything. He passed his life He passed his time by gambling, dancing, eating in expensive restaurants, and dressed beautifully. Question number 5 saba. Fill in the blanks with word from the text. Direct answer bol di dise sai laba. You must know by now that he is quite hopeless. He always looked as if he had just stepped out of a bandbox. Poor George, only a year older than his brothers, looked 60. You are not going to deny that all my life I have been hardworking, decent, respectable, and straightforward. ধন্যবাদ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল আশা কৰোঁ মোৰ ভিডিঅ'বোৰ চাই তোমালোকে নিশ্চয় উপকৃত হ'ব পাৰিছা তেনেহ'লে লাইক কৰা শ্বেয়াৰ কৰা আৰু যিবিলাকে মোৰ চেনেলটো এতিয়ালৈকে ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি লোৱা নাই তেওঁলোকে ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি লোৱা থ্যাংক ইউ